If you are still wondering how to trade, let me show you how my student made 16K in just a day, just by understanding the core concept of volume, pressure, and emission. Let me explain. Good day, traders. Alright, welcome back with another educational video. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how my student made 16K profit. Alright, not 10K, not $1, not $100, but 16K USD just for today. How did he do it? And he did this with only the Asian and the London session. It's not even the New York yet, but he is already in 16K profits. Alright? So, let's read the flow of the chart. Let's go. So, what is happening? How did he manage to make that much of money? Alright? It's pretty simple. I want you guys to pay close attention to this. The only possible outcome that he made the 16K, alright, is by understanding the flow, alright? Understanding each and every flow of the chart, each and every flow of the movement, okay? If you understand each and every move, each and every movement that the market makes, alright, you will know when to buy, when to sell, okay? I'll give you a quick analysis for today. What really happened for today? Alright, now, let's look at H1, shall we? Let's look at daily first, alright? So, as you can see, daily, from a bearish movement, it rejected and now in a bullish movement. As you can see, on the daily time frame, we have our buy volume. This is what we call as buy volume. Alright, now daily we have buy volume. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 days, price was bullish. Okay, clear? Now, we go to H4. As you can see, on H4, price is just still bullish. It is just still continuing in a uptrend. Okay, let's wait for this place to break. Alright, we have a place where a good seller has stepped in. So this indicates that price is in a good seller's position, but price is still pushing up. Alright, now let's drop down to H1. Alright, welcome to H1. So this is where you can know what is really going on. Alright, every time frame is important, but once you drop to a lower time frame, you can see it clearly that what is happening. This is why I use multi-timeframe. Okay, I don't just use H1, then we drop down to M15. No, I don't do that. We use multi-timeframe. Only multi-timeframe can save your life. Okay, you want to monitor every time frame there is. Okay, for example, as you can see all this time frame. You need to monitor every single time frame. See this H1. I'll mark the main ones that you guys really need to follow. Alright, you can go monthly, weekly, daily, H4, M30, M15, M5, M3, M2, M1, right? These are the important time frames. But if you can monitor all this at the same time. Yes, you heard me right, at the same time. Monitor everything at the same time. Good? Now, once you're in H1, I want you guys to put your vertical candles on each and every one of the candle. Understand? Okay. Now we know price is in a bullish move ever since 4 days ago. As you can see from the start at the beginning down there until today. Okay? Price is in a bullish move. But we also know we have a good seller that has been waiting for us. Am I right? Yes. Okay? Now, listen to this carefully. Let's analyze this part. Okay. As you can see, we have our good seller here, which is the sell volume, right? And here we have our buy volume. Now, if you tell me, oh, it's a sell, then no. Read the chart. Okay? Price started. Boom, boom. Went down, boom. Doing this, now it should go up. Okay? This indicates that price is still in a bullish move. As you can see, the price is not doing this. Okay, not this. Price is literally doing this. This indicates price is still bullish on H1. So what we should do, we should focus on buying. Alright? Now, good. Go to M30. What you can see? Oh, I can see a lot here. Good. Go here. Let's start for the day. Price opened here. Price came, rejected 1. Okay. Came down, rejected 2. Came down, rejected 3. Came down here, rejected 4. Came down here, rejected 5. As you can see, price has been rejecting each and every move that the market makes to go down. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. See? See? Look at this. Price is just keep on rejecting. Alright? It's just rejecting. Rejecting. Understand? So this clearly tells us that market is in a side bullish move. Okay? Now M15. This is the good seller, right? This is sell volume. Okay, let's mark this area then. We mark, then we wait for this guy to go in and see the reaction, what it does. If it still wants to continue to push up, it should break this area. Okay, it should break this area. If it's still respecting the sell volume, then it should do this. Okay. One, you need a confirmation for everything. This is my confirmation. I need to see volume, and then a pressure for me to enter for a particular direction. Okay. So if it's really going for a sell, okay, if it's really going for a sell, this is a volume. Second volume, third volume, fourth volume. This is a pressure. I will enter here for a sell, and then what market will do? Boom. Market will go down. That's what they did over here. As you can see, for example, we delete this. I'll show you guys. All right, this is an example of a sell structure. All right, price came, rejected 1. Okay, price came up, rejected 1. Price came up again, rejected 2. Came up, rejected 3. Rejected. 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 See? Okay, now, at this area here, you should most probably see a pressure, right? Let's drop down to a lower time frame. Let me mark this area first. before it goes somewhere. Okay, as you can see, let's try M3, shall we? There we go. See, I draw it for you guys, and it happened just like that on the lower time frame, as you can see. Okay, price keeps on pushing. You see, it's a trend. Price keeps on doing this. Okay, and then here, as you can see, we have a pressure where price is compressing in a direction here. So you can enter here, and then wait for it. We have our waterfall. How many pips is the waterfall? Let's take here to here. You already have 170 pips, 180 pips at this low. And if you pull that low until here, we have almost 310 pips, just like that. Same goes to here. As you can see, I was M15 just now. Alright, same goes to here. Okay, we have this high here, the sell high, and then we have our buy high, which is here. Alright, just carefully. Alright, so as you can see, price came up, pushed. Alright, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up. See, there's multiple indications that price is still continuing to go up. Now what we can do is, in this current situation, we can go drop down to our lower time frame. Let's say we go to M3 again. There we go. See this? Alright, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? Markets just keep on pushing up. So, in this current situation, as you can see, on the lower time frame, you have our pressure here, which is compression. Alright? Just decompression here. Up, 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 up. See? See? Now what you can do is you can enter here. This is literally a setup, guys. Alright? This is literally a setup. Market is currently running right now. If you enter here, as you can see, it's already 80 pips. In total, we have 90 pips. Isn't that enough? Right? Isn't that enough? You can just add a few layers there. You already got 80 pips. Alright? But my SOP is we stick with 50 to 100 pips. So yeah, this is how my student made 16K profit following the proper market structure, following the proper way of trading, not over trading, and understanding each and every flow of the chart. Right? I always push you guys to remember that. Always read the flow, not the noise that the market makes. Okay? Focus on the flow, not the noise. I'll see you guys with another video.